Good morning, friends. I'm so glad you're here. If you're new, my name is Mel. I currently drive around in my car, live in my car, do all things in my car. How I make money is I do DoorDash, Instacart, and Walmart Spark. So that's what you're going to see here in this video today. This is just me starting my morning, letting you guys into my world. And this is the best part, going in the front seat, getting my day started. So let's jump into it. The first thing I need to do today is go get some gas. I'm so cold right now. You guys can see the back windows are foggy. I got really cold last night, so I have to go pee so bad. That's probably one of the worst things about being in a car is that it's so inconvenient when you can't just go in a room next to you and use the bathroom, you guys. But oh my god, that is so good. Chai tea latte. These are really expensive, you guys, but there was a coupon on Ibotta. It was a 4-pack, so you get $1 back. I think they were like $7 and $1 off. One thing I lack being in my car is protein, so I'm gonna hop on Upside and see what the closest gas station is near me that is the cheapest. I'll take you guys along for that, and then we're going to head to the gym, and then hopefully today
it's just full of money.
Can I just say that my favorite mornings are Saturdays and Sundays because it's very, very noisy on the weekdays because everybody's like, you know, up and going to work and parking by you or just moving around. And then on the weekends, it's so quiet, so you sleep so good. I will see you guys at the gas station and I'll see what kind of deal we have today on us. I told myself yesterday that I need to do better at food. I am a sucker for sweets and breakfast treats and muffins and cakes and all of the things. So I need to fulfill that like sweet morning deliciousness with my coffee. I love wafer cookies, but they have a ridiculous amount of sugar in them. They have sugar-free ones. It's Vjortman, kind of pricey, but they taste delicious. And what I do normally, I buy almond butter, but I don't want to buy almond butter because they don't come in a tube like this, and it was in a jar, and they had all these like big sizes. They do have like single packs, but almond butter is expensive, okay? So I just got Skippy Natural. I think it's pretty healthy, not a lot of sugar. So this is what I'm gonna be eating for breakfast instead of going to Walmart on the clearance bakery and buying all of the things every morning. So I have like 3 or 4 of these a day with a banana and my chai tea. I think I'll start my morning off really good. My sweet, my salty, and more protein. We're almost there, so I will show you guys my gas tank and how much I fill up for. Okay, so you guys can see here, that's where I'm at with gas. So it was $4.84, and then I typed in my phone number for the 7-Eleven rewards, and it went down to $4.73, so I saved money there. So I filled up 15.2 and $72.37. So I have a lot of new followers. I just want to reiterate, you guys, please don't complain about my gas prices. I don't complain about them. Instead, I'm on YouTube showing you guys how to save money, how to budget, coupons, how to use apps to save money. Because there are people out there that pay a ridiculous amount of money for gas. So if you're in an area that your gas is inexpensive, stay humble and don't throw it in people's faces that pay ridiculous money for gas. Not a great time. If you guys want to use Upside yourself, go ahead and download the app. The link is in the description of this video if you want to sign up with my referral code. If you use my code, you save a little bit of extra money, and when you use the app, I get a little kickback too. So I appreciate you guys supporting my channel and also supporting the apps that I use. I use this app all the time because I like to save money. You guys can see my gas is pretty pricey, so any little thing I can do to save money on gas, I will do it. To all of you guys that do use Upside, thank you so much. Every time you fill up, get a penny for every gallon that you fill up with. So thank you so much. I'm right outside Planet Fitness. I have my gym bag, so I'm gonna fill it up with an outfit change, all of my shampoos, body washes, all of my shaving products, and all of the things. And I'm gonna go ahead and shower and relax, take my time. If you guys are not familiar with Planet Fitness, they have tanning beds and they have hydro massages, or where you can lay down in a bed. I've mentioned this a couple times. I always go get a massage when I'm here because it's much needed and it's a little treat. If you guys want to learn more about Planet Fitness or get a membership yourself, I do have a link in the description below if you're thinking about using Planet Fitness yourself. Got my first order of the day, you guys. I'll put it up on the screen. We're picking up at a deli, getting a corned beef sandwich. Sounds so delicious. A little over 3 miles for 10 bucks. So I'll see you guys at the drop-off. That order is dropped off, you guys. The payout was $10. I'm not sure what I'm going to do as far as a countdown, because honestly, I didn't really think about where I wanted to start with the whole month and today. So let's just add today. I got another order from DoorDash, you guys. We're going into Sam's Flaming Grill and we're picking up a shawarma plate. $7.50 payout, a little over 3 miles. I'll see you guys at the drop-off. The DoorDash order is picked up. It's currently in my car. It is 12:25, and because I have Walmart on and Instacart running while I have my DoorDash on, I got this Walmart order. I was running out of patience today, and I kept telling myself, no, be patient, because there is not a lot of orders out there, you guys, but I got this one. Praise Jesus, amen. It is a nice big order. It's got alcohol in it. I don't have to pick it up till 12:45. So that gives me the perfect amount of time to get this DoorDash ordered, dropped off, and then swing over to Walmart. So that order is dropped off from DoorDash. Payout was $7.50. The address was so funny because they had 20 and 02, like a couple houses down, so I actually went to the 20 address. Thankfully, there was a guy outside, and he's like, I didn't order anything. And I was like, I'm so sorry. So we're at $17.50. I'm going to head over to Walmart and grab the big, nice order. I wanted to stop for a minute and tell you guys, too, that I'm trying the new Gatorade. Let me know if you've tried it. This is lime cucumber Gatorade. I'm going to try it. I'm so slippery today because I put a lot of lotion on.
Oh, that's delicious too.
Very, very good, you guys. 21 sugars. Terrible.
You guys, I'm probably not going to get this again just because of the sugar, but I think I'd rather drink a Propel water than this because they're honestly the same price, but.
Yeah, totally delicious, but not a fan of the sugars. I'm trying to watch my sugar, y'all. Can you see my sweat mustache? It's hot. So here's the order, you guys. It's nice and big. There's another bag in the back. Currently waiting for bread and blueberries because the bread was completely smashed and the blueberries busted open. And yeah, it was a great time. You guys ever get so sweaty that your sweat like just, you know, piles up in here? I was really enjoying 60-degree weather the entire week last week, and now it's, my car says 81, but I know it's like 100 million degrees. I'm hot. I need to go sit in the shade and relax, or maybe just do DoorDash because this grocery shopping and moving around is $59.46. Very generous with their tip. So the day total so far is $76.96. Here's the next order. We are shopping at Walmart on Instacart. 39 items, I forget. Lots of house items, hair care products. I'm not going to go around the store and show you guys me picking it because I'm going to be completely honest with you. I'm exhausted. This heat is... Nope. Can anybody tell me when you're supposed to adapt to 500 degrees? Like, I'm being serious, you guys. If you are not from California and you moved to California, how long did it take you to realize that you're not having hot flashes and heat stroke. I mean, I know I'm being a little dramatic, but my Wisconsin body, I guess. I'm gonna shop the order and then I'll show you guys the carts, so we'll see you inside. Okay, y'all, that order is dropped off. The lady was so freaking sweet. She tipped me 40 bucks. That's awesome. So the payout was $56.88 on that order. Also, I talked to you guys maybe last week or the week before, talking about how the state of California was issuing reimbursement from 2022 to 2023 because the mile changed to 34 cents. So I was back paid. I believe it was previously 30 cents. So they gave me what was called a shopper bump. So they calculated all of my miles just because I was in California. Before that, I was in Wisconsin, if you guys didn't know. So $39.21 was added onto my Instacart account. So now our day total is $173.05.
She loves me. She really loves me.
The last customer I dropped off, you guys, I stayed at her house for a little bit because she had an autistic son. So I was talking to her. I like to communicate with people, you guys. I like hanging out if they're outside and they're friendly and they're up for it, you know. So we had a conversation and she was the sweetest lady. So she actually gave me more money. So instead of $40, she tipped me $45. That was really sweet of her. So we're adding on $5 to our total. I got my next order. We're going inside Michael's. I've never been inside Michael's on Instacart. So we're shopping for 30 party items. Nice payout. Miles aren't too bad, but it's taking me back to where I'll probably end up for the night. I'm failing at my whole life. I forgot to show you guys the order and pretty much the entire thing. Really busy communicating with the customer. She ordered a lot of birthday party things and they did not have a lot of things that she wanted, or she wanted like a quantity of 6 when there was only 2 and she was having the birthday party tomorrow. So we were just back and forth with messages, so it took a long time. So it just completely blew my mind. But anyway, she was the sweetest and she was so grateful that I helped her and we ended up making things work. So everything that was not there, we replaced. So that's good, with the exception of a few things. $30.48 payout. So now we're at $208.53. The one thing I love about Instacart is that you can like take care of your customers. You can communicate with them. You can laugh with them. You meet them outside the door and have a great time, and they can just a conversation, you guys. The world needs more communication. Friendly, nice communication. The last customer I told you guys at Michael's that I didn't show you, she had bought all these party items because she was having a birthday party for her daughter. So we communicated a lot. I did that order for, it must have been an hour. It should have took 20 minutes, but I was very patient and she appreciated me so much. She even met me outside at the door and we had a conversation. She increased my tip as well with another $20. So originally it was $30.48. So now it's $50.48. I'll put it up on the screen for you guys if you guys didn't already know. I mean, I talked about my pimp status before because 50 cents said I was. On a real note, you guys, I think the thing that makes me most happy is not the increase in money. When people do that, like both people today, we just had a great conversation. I had human interaction. I made them feel loved and cared about and important. I wasn't being fake about it. I was just like, you know what? You need stuff. First lady had a teenager that was autistic, and the second lady had a birthday party and she was stressing out. So sometimes you guys just taking that extra mile. If you're a customer out there and you're inspired, because there are people that actually do care about you, even though you might have had some just negative experiences. Maybe I'm seeing that too from these people. They really maybe have had terrible experiences, and you know, they did something extra for me because I was really kind and took care of them. So it makes me feel so good. I know I'm a good person and I take care of people, but seeing that people are just even more generous than they already were. I'm gonna go to bed. So let's talk numbers. If you guys watched my budgeting video yesterday, I redid my total. So my new total was $84.89. So today we did DoorDash, we did Walmart Spark, we did Instacart, we did all of the apps today. I'm so excited. I love doing that. It makes me so happy to dip into each one. I really do like DoorDash, but unfortunately, I think I just need to get my acceptance rate up. I think maybe one day I'll just take all of the DoorDash orders and get my acceptance rate up. We'll see about that though. It's an extra $143. I'm not gonna do anything with that because I haven't worked in the last couple days. There's just been no orders, you guys. I hope tomorrow is abundant, but we kicked butt today, $228.53. So I hope you guys had an incredible Saturday. I hope you did something fun and exciting. I am going to spend the next 3 hours of my night editing this video for you. My light died.
And I got jaundice.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed your time with me today. If you like my videos, make sure you do me a kindness and give me a thumbs up. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.